Hello everyone, so today we are going to be reviewing this Nextbase Cam plus Go Pack bundle with 32 gigabytes. So if you're looking for a good camera and with a good price, this is a good option for you. It has HD loop recording and 6-lane wide viewing angle. The 322GW dashcam has been designed to provide high-quality, detailed images of your journey on the road. So, if you're looking for a good cost-benefits camera for your adventures, this is a good option. So, this is my review for today, and I hope it was useful for you. Thanks for watching.